Hey, welcome to Technogen Infocom. Nokia has launched a new smartphone, Nokia 3. This is the budget smartphone and it's made with aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass protection over the display. The price of the phone is 8,699 rupees and it's exclusively available over the Amazon. The link is given description. You can buy from there. The Nokia 3 is coming with 4 color option: black, blue, silver and white color option. The Nokia 3 having 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. It also supports a dedicated microSD card slot with 128GB expandable memory. The Nokia 3 is coming with MediaTek MT6737 quad-core processor with 1.3 GHz clock speed. The phone is packed with 2630 mAh battery. It's a non-renewable battery. In case of camera, the primary camera is 8 megapixel shooter with dual tone LED flashlight and it supports PDAF face focusing and autofocus technology. And the front camera is also 8 megapixel selfie shooter. It's capture awesome selfie. Both front and rear camera having lots of features like group selfie, face recognition, face beauty, beauty profile and etc. Both front and rear camera can capture the video at 720p HD resolution. The display of the phone is 5-inch IPS display and the resolution of the display is 1280 by 720 pixel and 294 ppi and the GPU is Mali T720. The Nokia 3 coming with Android 7.1.2 Nougat and Nokia planned upgrade to Oreo in future. In case of network connectivity, the Nokia 3 supports dual SIM. Both are the nano SIM slot. Both the SIM support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G and 3G network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE cores. Connectivity option available in Nokia 3 are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 version, NFC, FM radio, GPS and USB connector for charging. It also have a 3.5mm headphone jack and active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Sensor are accelerometer sensor, ambient light sensor, e-compass, gyroscope and the proximity sensor. Nokia 3 is available only on Amazon. Buy link in given description. You can buy from there. So that's all. If you want to know more about others Nokia mobile, then tap on the top right corner. And thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos and have a good day. Bye bye.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.